on the outside, heavy on the outside. Now, there's the other side that a lot of people really have difficulty understanding unless you have been with or been in relationship with a narcissist, a situationship with a narcissist. You will understand the two faces I am talking about or about to talk about, especially when it comes to our African American, African ex-wives, men. Not all. I always make sure to say this. Not all, but majority. Okay, there's these two phases, two aspects, two personas to a person who has a high toxic, narcissistic, difficult, high conflict, dismissive persona. But they're able to wrap it up well enough because their outside appearance, their acceptance of the outside world is so crucial. Them being in certain circle is so crucial to their image, to their self-esteem, to their ego, because the ego a lot of times can be so big. The insecurity within them is covered up by all these acts, and it's all acts because the mask comes on. So the mask comes off, especially with you who are at the mercy, the brunt of their trauma, their neglect from childhood, all the pain, the anxiety. When they come down to it, and you're the one who is codependent with them, because notice codependency is when you're okay when they are okay. When they are not okay, they come home and you can already hear from how the door closes, from how the car closes, from even how the steps are being taken, from when they come and sit on the couch and the disengagement, even the face when you're acting or talking to a person who has this type of personality, the look, the lack of answer, the need for you to sometimes have to ask them 2-3 times, even then to be met with silence, the stonewalling, the silent treatment. Now, the facade is the other side of it, is that this person, a lot of time behind closed doors, in private with their partners, their children, the most vulnerable people they're supposed to rather be engaging, kind, empathetic, is some of the stuff that I mentioned. Things like stonewalling, being cold, being critical, being dismissive, being catty, being brutal.